All right, welcome back one time MapMasterJoel OLSP tutorial TokPisin training. Okay, you may come again one time not from a side long making profile you come up or some AI responder. And now by you that you come inside long OLSP system by you inside long menu yet by looking you come down by looking AI your AI profile. Now it's like AI profile you set him up system yet long how you can put him voice by you, how you can customize him some how you feel him long that you like respond on the message you can easy that's all go inside long link block promote now you sim all content long way na style be you like leme lo post him lo one map sentence you style leme so you can learn sim AI profile. So inside there now we looking personal brand there. Now you personalize him brand blue or some blomi admisa media marketing blomi underneath long name MapMasterJoel, the navigator of success strategies. So you look him underneath lemma, you put in business name MapMasterJoel because I'm brand blue. Now tagline we talk navigate, create and dominate. I'm all tagline blue. So underneath lemma you set in profile finish. Okay, now you go along social or next contact now or socials. So you link him all profiles there. So here you click lemma and buy you sim loans la website loan. You type in name finish lemma. You type in name finish lemma now. Do saya bakal what's a brand name blue now. So you look him Domi a MapMasterJoel, type in long time I type in name MapMasterJoel. URL me identify him sla name yeah. Okay, I put him come inside underneath the name Domi. So this la OLSP system na name Domi stuff. So me customize him also link Domi or some website Domi. So you don't need to buy him one the website lo make him website blue yet. Buy one plan. Eblo make your website blue yet. OLSP you got system where you can create him website blue yet. So I think let me link him profile blue yet. You think him long time you've been making underneath the profile section you've been creating all you've been putting more profiles blue yet. So now I'm come up lemma. So now you go along. Setting all that finish. And now by you give him all thinking long you long underneath long when I'm up you start lemma because you must train him AI will respond according to what I'm thinking as away. Long this la country on this place you stop lemma. So AI will respond accordingly. So you go now this la but you put him in voice blue but you can record him voice blue AI and capture the voice blue and can talk like customer blue time stuff. So you feed him in all praise all once and you like lemma how you go now this la all unique responses because AI will feed him in a marketing tool blue here. And by come understand him you inside law when I'm all description or you've been putting one little lemma. So this is important so you fill him all over there. Okay, now I'm call to action. So call to action or CTA. You must put him on some message me or comment below. So time AI write a message below here and can program according long how we program him M no respond. So now you set him finish. So now we go begin looking like example. So and now AI profile blue am set. So you go long looking on blah long. In a create one plan. On the message blue yet. So you go on a link. So example lem slay. Ila register lem so. So you click him long. You click him long. Invite link. Now, by the time you miss a navigate long, chat GPT na write him content na come na go begin na posting him. But here no get. Because upset AI blue you train him according to respond according long OLSP understanding. So you just click him here. You invite them and by making come up him or message blue here. So you can now you can copy link blue now sharing no post there. Sharing no social media blue. Okay, we like check one plan. Okay, let's check one plan Tumblr. Underneath. So you like creating content. Creating content now. So next event you like creating content blue now. Now by AI blue by respond. So get your materials and you look in. Now AI system blue now and by respond according long. One understanding you've been writing things like that. So and now you select one employer social media you like making marketing blue no? Email or Facebook or Instagram or thing or profile say you will link in things like that. So me like make one Facebook, so me can select Facebook. Now AI blue by creating Facebook content lomi copy na paste long Facebook lomi. Like Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter or YouTube, you select him antap by him can respond you according long according all channels where me feed lots of descriptions. So me like creating Facebook. So me selecting Facebook, me come long. Great. So now you look in. AI don't make and me making finish one plan script there. Okay, friend, struggling to create content that builds authority online. No camera time or expertise. Join me for this. So now you look in Tumblr. Link in bio or navigate, create, dominate. I'm thinking you can sign him long. Signature long upside there. So I'm creating. So now what we make him now? We copy him script. We copy him script now. Copy him script now. We go back long Facebook. So you copy him now. We go back long Facebook long paste him script and been copy finish lang. Sorry, long side the video na picture. I think by next round we must put him how you can talk him AI blue lo create him image or video. I think probably next round we put him to come up. But now yet only make him script as well. Okay, alright, thank you long him stop one time. Now we will not side then.